But as far as I know, no one else has done anything like this. And I asked around some of the local music stores, and they all were kind of surprised and confused by what I wanted to do. So that's uplifting because I want to create something new. Today's project is going to be converting this guitar into an instrument which will have one bass string, 4 guitar strings, one output with a bass pickup for the bass string, and a separate output for the guitar strings. And I think I might do a third pickup for all of it together. There's a lot of stages and a lot of figuring it out as I go. So I'm gonna take this guitar and kind of tear it apart. I think this might be the prototype, and then once I router the heck out of this body and figure out the shape that it needs to be, I'll do the final version on a different guitar. But the first step, I have to drill out this space, which is set up for an electric guitar tuning peg, and make it the larger size for the bass tuning peg. So I need to find the right size drill bit. Looks like 11/16 is gonna be the winner. Let's go drill this sucker out. Because of the angled headstock, I can't just lay it flat, so I'm trying to find maybe like that right there. Okay, let's try that. That is what I was trying to avoid, blowing out the bottom. That's okay. This is the test body. Now to see if it fits right. Alright, sand the inside a little bit maybe. But that will hammer in there snugly. I'll be able to put this in. I'm going to do it at an angle so it comes off the side like that right there. And that should be perfect. Okay. Step 1 completed. The next thing I need to do is, you'll notice that this is missing its nut. So I've got this old Fender Squier Strat neck that is, well, the truss rod is messed up and it doesn't play right. So, I'm going to steal this nut and cut it down, and then I've got a bass nut, a bass guitar nut that I'm going to cut down, and then I'm going to snug them into each other. And that'll be my next step. So right now, I'm gonna do my best to get that nut out without breaking it. So I need a hammer and something to put on the nut and hammer it out. Might not be the best way to do it, but hey, I'm learning this as I go. Okay, I got a couple of these things. Alright, I'm gonna try this cute little guy first, because I don't want to apply too much pressure. Like a dream. Man, alive. Okay, that's done. And this is more or less useless. I might try to pry off that fretboard and use it for a future project. I don't know, I'll throw this in my boneyard. Who knows what it'll turn into. Now, before I get too deep into this project, I want to find some sort of containment unit, a box or something, that I can put all of the pieces, all of the hardware in, so I can keep it together and not lose it. Or that way I can lose it all at the same time. Well, all the while the answer was right in front of me. I'll put the nut in there. I'm only going to use one of these. So right now I can go ahead and snip off the extra for length. We've got bass tuner, the screws for the bass tuner. I don't know where the screws for the original neck went. The pickups are also missing. I'm missing a lot of this guitar. The next piece, I have to decide what I'm going to use for the bridge for the electric. I might take this and just saw it right down the middle there. The problem that I think I'm going to encounter is that with this inside of here, my string's going to come out. Let's do a test run. Obviously it won't be taut, but we'll do a test with the slimmest bass string. I should have went short scale. So I'm only going to be able to do 3 guitar strings, which is fine because I just play chords anyway. There's not really going to be any soloing. So I'm going to do that, and then I think I'll just cut right along here, make it look really goofy. Do the 3 strings here. I'm just going to get my thickest strings. I basically want this to be a very low end sound. I've got all of these old tuning pegs, some of which are total crap. So I'm going to go through right now and find out which ones are total crap. I only need 3, so wrong side, wrong side. I'm noticing a theme here. Wrong side, wrong side. These are all machine screws. Okay, shopping list. So I'm just gonna buy new tuning pegs because these ones are missing little sheaves that go in there and they're old and kind of rickety. So I'm just not gonna mess with them. I'm also going to buy individual guitar bridges. Another thing I need to take into account, I've got all of these little turny pots that I got from various guitars, and I don't know if they are tone or volume, but I've held on to them for some reason. Alright, so we've got all my tuning pegs, all my little sleeves. What I'm missing are the screws, volumes. I want 3 kill switches and tone, volume, relay. I don't know which ones these are. I can look those up, but I think I'm just gonna shop new ones. I've got the turny buttons, I've got the little switch. Okay, that's all I got for today.